The global community is engaged in finding solutions to behavior change, which is the major cause of road accidents. Initially, not all road users acquire road safety skills and self-discipline skills. As a result, arbitrary behavior becomes established, the master, and is deemed complete, correct and final. Unless the right seeds are sown, weeds grow and encroach on the skill gap, which is an inefficient memory and needs to be replaced with an efficient one. All road users are mistaking this arbitrary behavior and inefficient memory for intelligence with the belief of finality, are proving fatal, and accidental suicides are increasing in India. On the roads of extreme abuses of liberty, arbitrary behavior is most easily established, but difficult to change. Changes in behavior require special mechanism. When solving a problem, dig roots in place of plucking leaves. Science says, if the desired result is not achieved, upgrade the quality of seeds, soil and process. Sprinkling water on the leaves will not be fruitful unless water reaches the roots. Sprinkling knowledge on a superficial level will not be fruitful unless the knowledge reaches the inner intelligence. Unless the melting point of the metal is achieved, the desired shape cannot be formed, and unless the melting point of the effort is achieved, the desired habit cannot be formed. Unhappy people don't understand wise advice because they want comfort, and happy people don't understand wise advice because they don't want to give up comfort. Arbitrary behavior is guided by the mind, and desired stable behavior is guided by the inner intelligence. The one you water the most grows the most. Either we should solve the problem or leave the problem, but we should not live with the problem, and if we cannot leave the problem, then we should solve the problem at all costs. Without action, the rate of accidental suicides will increase from the current 500 to 5,000 per day within 30 years, and every third person will be disabled around us. People become part of the solution when their loved ones die by accidental suicide, but people must become part of the solution to prevent accidental suicide. Although you have achieved excellence in profession and pride in your material possessions, it does not mean that you have excelled in road safety skill. When you stop updating yourself, you become outdated. Expecting updated output based on outdated input is madness. Doing same and expecting different result is madness. Taking action to prevent disaster is sanity, but waiting for disaster to occur and then taking action is insanity. Remember, when disaster strikes, the time to prepare has already passed. Based on behavioral science, Mother India Care has developed a revolutionary super special therapy for desired stable behavior, which replaces inefficient memory with efficient memory. Global wisdom research has scientifically proven that super special therapy is highly effective, and even a common person can understand and support it. Use the link in the description box below to access super special therapy to establish desired stable behavior and mind mastery. Jai Hind.